Hi, it's me. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut and assemble this gift card pop-up holder using a template that I created and linked down below. It's perfect for gifting money to a friend with making it extra thoughtful. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the score file, how to use the dash file, and of course, assembly. Let's get started. How to use the score file. In this video, I will be using Cricut Design Space to demonstrate. Please use the software compatible with your machine. Click Upload Image. You can either drag the file or browse for it. I am going to drag the file, and the file is called Gift Card Pop-Up Scored. A preview image will appear. Click Continue. Another preview image will appear. Click Upload. When the file loads, it may be a little bit zoomed in, so just go ahead and zoom out. Once you are zoomed out, you will notice that all the pieces are going to be grouped together. While they're grouped together, you can size it to whatever size you want, but to get the gift card size, make sure that it is 12 inches by 12 inches. If it is not, please adjust the width and the height to 12 inches. To confirm that sizing is correct, open up the group and click on the first blue square. Its measurement should be 5 inches by 5 inches. Now let's ungroup the pieces and review what they are. These two pieces right here are decoration for the right panel, inside right panel. This piece right here is decoration for the cover, and this piece right here, or these two pieces, are decoration for the inside left. This is the mechanism that holds the gift card. And this is the box mechanism. These four pieces right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, are decoration for the box. And this piece right here is the base card. This file has lines that need to be converted to score lines, so let's do that, starting with the base card. Click on the base card, and it will highlight the group on the right-hand panel, in the Layers panel. Open it up, and you will see a line that says Basic Cut. Change its operation from Basic Cut to Score. Click the group header, then click Attach. Now we're going to click on the holder mechanism, and it's going to be highlighted in the Layers panel. Open it up, and click on the lines that kind of look like a C and an underscore. Change its operation from Basic Cut to Score. Click the group header, then click Attach. Now we are going to click on the pop-up box. It'll be highlighted in the Layers panel. Open it up, and you'll see two sets of lines, one that looks like OTC and the other one that does not. Only click on the one where it looks like it says OTC. So click on that, and we're going to change its operation from Basic Cut to Score. And we're going to leave the other one alone. So click the group header, then click Attach. Now Cricut should have 3 attached groups, and it will know to score and cut these objects together. Go ahead and click Make and follow the instructions on screen. How to use the dashed file. To demonstrate, I will be using Cricut Design Space. Please use the software compatible with your machine. Click Upload Image. You could either drag the file or browse for it. I'm going to drag the file, and the file is called Gift Card Pop-Up Box Dashed. A preview image will appear. Click Continue. Another preview image will appear. Click Upload. When the file loads, it might be zoomed in a little bit. Zoom out so that we can see the measurements at the bottom. All the pieces should be grouped together, and at this point you can size it to whatever size you want, but to get the gift card size, please make sure that it is 12 inches by 12 inches. If it is not, please adjust it to 12 inches in width by 12 inches in height. To confirm that sizing is correct, open up the group and click on the first blue square. Its measurement should be 5 inches by 5 inches. Now let's ungroup the group and review all the pieces so we know what they are. These two pieces right here are decoration for the right inner panel. These two pieces right here are decoration for the cover. These are decoration for the left panel. This is the mechanism that holds the gift card. This is the mechanism that is the box. These 4 gray pieces are for decoration for the box. And lastly, this is the base card. Now this file uses dash lines instead of score lines, but they still need to be attached to the object. So let's go ahead and do that. Click on the base card. Open it up. Make sure you see one line in there. Now click on the header, then click attached. Click on the gift card holder part. Open it up. Confirm you see one line with a C and an underline. Click the header, then click attach. Click on the gift card box part of it. Open up the group. Confirm you see just one line set here. Click the header, then click attach. Now Cricut will know that these dash lines are associated with each object, and we are good to go. Click make and follow the instructions on screen. How to assemble the card. Let's start by reviewing the pieces. This is the base. This is the box mechanism. These are decoration for the box. This is the part that holds the gift card. These 3 pieces right here are the inner and outer decor pieces that are white. There's 1 large and 2 small ones. And then these are the decor for the inner and outer panels. There should be 1 large and 2 smaller ones. So let's move these out of the way and focus on the base card. This is pretty straightforward. Just fold along the line in the center. And you want to make sure that that crease is nice and pressed. And that's it. So let's prep the base card by putting on the pieces of decor. First, you're going to put the larger blue pieces down, and then you're going to glue the white pieces on top. And by the magic of editing, all these pieces have been glued down. I didn't think you wanted to watch me glue. So now let's flip this over and then glue on the cover decoration. First, we're going to glue down the larger white piece. Then we're going to glue down the smaller blue piece. So this is the cover decoration. And now that we have the cover and the inner decor set, it not only makes it a little bit cuter, but it also reinforces the sturdiness of the card. So we're going to put this to the side and we're going to focus on the mechanism. So this is the box that pops up, and we are going to fold the lines that run vertically inward. So we're going to make a valley fold just like this so that it forms a square, like a part of the sides of the cube. And this little piece right here is actually a glue tab that will glue the sides of the cube shut. So let's open this up, and we're going to take those triangle pieces and we're also going to make them into valley folds. Just like this. So that will be the bottom of the box once it's inside of the card. Next, we're going to take these little pieces that are the flaps of the box, and we're going to do mountain folds. But if you flip it over, there are valley folds as well. So there are 4 of those little flaps that you just fold. And then for these pieces, I like to take them and press them down really, really well, because if you don't do that, they might run into the side of the card a little bit too hard. So I want to really press down those creases so they stay down, but not too far down that it doesn't look cool. So here is the box. And before we glue everything together, there's a couple more things we need to do, and that first one is to glue the pieces of decoration onto the flaps. So when you're laying everything flat, it looks like this is the inside of the box, but that piece actually is the part that folds over. So when you're gluing these down, make sure that it's as even to the edge of those flaps as possible, and that it's not inadvertently glued over the creases, otherwise it won't bend. So like I mentioned before, these pieces are the ones that flap backwards. And here I'm just making sure that it's not glued on the creases. So I'm going to put this to the side. And then I'm going to focus on the part that holds the gift card. So it's really simple. Fold this part back, fold this part in, and then fold this part back. So it's mountain, valley, and mountain. And then now you have a piece that looks like a T. This part on the bottom is what's going to prevent the gift card from sliding back. So you'll just fold that up. And on this little piece right here, we are going to put glue so that it holds the gift card in nice and snug. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to put glue right here on that tab. And then we are going to take that and spread out the glue so that it doesn't ooze out on the side and shut the whole thing. We just want that little tab to be stuck down. So press it down, and once it's pressed down, you'll have this cute little pocket ready to hold your gift card. So let's get the box mechanism, and we're gonna just fold these out really quick so that they're not in the way. And we're going to glue this part onto the center of the box. So put glue on these two little tabs and then spread them with a little piece of scrap paper. That's what that is. And we're gonna glue it in the center of the box. And we're gonna make sure that it is directly on that crease and that the edges are as close together as possible along that crease. So it looks like that. See how they kind of touch towards the back? We want it to look like that so that it'll hold the gift card snug. Now we're going to put glue on this glue tab, and we're going to get ready to shut the box. So now we're shutting the box, and then we have a box, and that's it. So here it is. Here's the box with the little gift card holder inside. And now it is ready to glue within the base card. When we glue it in the base card, we are going to flatten the box so that it looks like this, where the two triangles are on the left-hand side. So let's grab our base card and line up the little box. So the back of the box right here is going to be lined up with the center crease, and then the tip is going to be lined up with the top so that it looks like this. And then what you want to do is you want to make sure that you kind of open and close it so that it doesn't get caught up in there. So apply some glue, spread out the glue a little bit, and then go ahead and close the card on top of it. It's still going to push that out so that it's not smushed in the crease, but it'll be where it needs to be. Trust me. So now let's press it down, flip the card over, being careful not to shift the box. And then we're going to put glue here on this side. And then we're going to spread out the glue. And then we are going to close the card and then press. And we're going to press it and give the glue a little bit of time to set before we open up the box. So that way it looks like this. Ta-da! Now you've got a little pop-up box that holds a gift card. If you feel like those little flaps are hitting the side of the card too much, just keep pressing them down. So now here's what it looks like with your standard size gift card. When you open and close it, it should tuck in and hide in there quite nicely. Thank you for watching this video and for all your support. If you have any questions, comments, or concern, please shoot me an email or comment down below. Take care. Bye.